In a quiet studio, engineers and artists translate raw sound into visual narratives that breathe with rhythm. By charting frequency and amplitude, they map tones to color, brightness, and motion, creating dynamic canvases from noise. A bass drone might bloom with deep reds, while a hi-hat flickers as cool blues, illustrating sonic texture visually. The educational core explains how wavelength, speed of sound, and enclosure shape waveforms into curves viewers can actually read. This fusion celebrates both circuitry and brushstrokes, inviting tech fans and art lovers to experience acoustics as living light.